Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 6 times x minus 5 minus 13 times x minus 3 times x equals 0. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give negative 10 times x. Add 5 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative 10 times x equals 5. The variable coefficient is negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 10 to leave the variable alone. That gives x equals negative 0.5. Quick check. Substitute negative 0.5 for x. Both sides equal 0, so the equation balances. So, x equals negative 0.5.